Hi guys, and you all are welcome to my channel. My name is Pavitra Shetty. If you haven't watched my videos and this is the first time you are watching my videos, you all are welcome to my channel. And if you like my content, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my beautiful YouTube journey, and also join to my YouTube family. I think you would have come to know it's about the reviewing this particular Amazon chopper. So without further ado, let's get into the video. ये जो chopper है, I don't know why the lights are okay. So this chopper I got it last year in the month of October. So I have used, this is my second chopper. I have used एक और चॉपर जो कि मैंने बहुत पहले लाया था. दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड चॉपर एंड द आइडिया ऑफ दिस रिव्यू ऑफ दिस चॉपिंग मशीन मुझे आया मेरे एक फ्रेंड से, बिकॉज वो मुझसे पूछ रही थी कि इस चॉपिंग मशीन से और क्या क्या काट सकते हैं, हाउ इट इज़ हेल्पफुल, इज जिंजर कैन बी डन, जिंजर और गार्लिक इसमें से कट कर सकते हैं या नहीं. तो थैंक यू श्वेता फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर आइडिया. सो हियर आई गो विद दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. अभी ये जो मैंने अमेज़ॉन से ये चॉपर मंगाया था, दिस वॉज अराउंड फॉर ₹300 एंड दे हैव लॉट ऑफ साइजेस इन दिस. पर इसका जो ब्रेड्थ और लेंथ है इट्स कम्प्लीटली बिगर देन दैट ऑफ दी अदर वन. इससे छोटे साइजेस भी आते हैं. प्रॉब्लम ऐसे कुछ है नहीं. इट्स ओनली हेल्प्स यू अप विद चॉपिंग मोर थिंग वेरी क्विकली. लाइक इसमें एट द टाइम मैं 3 अनियंस डाल के इसे चॉप कर सकती हूँ. So you have to just pull this thing and it works wonder. There is nothing much you have to do. And if you are one of the person like me who don't know to chop things properly, this is like a genie, or this is like a superpower for you, because this is less time consuming and gives you the best result in quick time. तो मैंने इसमें से onion, tomatoes, cabbage कट किए हैं. That particular thing would be posted right here for your reference. और in fact recently I have, sorry, potato nahi, onions, tomatoes, ginger, garlic. I have also cut cabbage recently, which was shocking. I never thought कि cabbage इसमें से cut कर सकते, because whenever I chop cabbage वो एक onion के shape में हो जाता है. and it is very, I still remember once वे बैक मैंने कैबेज कट किया था नॉर्मली विद द नाइफ एंड इट डिडंट वर्क आउट. इट वाज लिटरली लाइक एन बिग ऑनियन स्लाइस एंड नाउ आई हैव कट इट फ्रॉम दिस एंड आई कैन मेक कैबेज का सब्जी. सो थैंक्स फॉर दिस. And that's the reason I'm saying, if you are the one who hates chopping and who take longer time in chopping, this is a best thing that you can use. You have nothing to do with it. ये कुछ इस तरह का रहता है. इसमें एक होल, एक ऐसा, if you can see that there's one point where you have to insert the back of this, and make sure you're very careful. It is very 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 sharp. There are just 3 blades kind of a thing, and it rotates inside when you pull that particular thing. So you have to insert this within like that, and then you have this particular other thing that you have to insert, like you have to put at the top, then fix this thing tightly and then pull this all together. So if you give a lesser count, तो वो less एकदम फाइन चॉप नहीं होगा. सो if you're giving it really a lot of thing, like for example if you're giving a count of 20 above, then it would give you that fine chop that I showed you the picture like that. So it's pretty much worth every penny for this. So if you want to invest something like this, you can go for it. It's wet and you can see the droplets because I just used it and I washed it. So yeah, that's it for this particular amazing Amazon chopper. I hope you like it, and if you did, please do not forget to give me a like, share and also subscribe to my channel, and do let me know what is your experience using this. The only problem that I had, but it stayed with me for longer time. I think the one that I used before this was there with me for 2 years, and उसका फिर वो जो एक बार ये इलास्टिक निकल गया, then it's gone. But I think it's worth of 250. Even if it comes for a year, I think it's even 6 months it's benefiting. And this has already crossed more than 9 months, I think. So yeah, and they have lot of things. I'll just put the pictures for you if in case to get an idea. And the one I got this was way too long, and I got it for 300. I don't know if it's available. If it is there in the site, I'll put the link over here, or I'll put the pictures for you to get an idea. So pretty much that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it and found this video informational, and if you did, please do not forget to give me a big like, share and also subscribe to my channel. And take care of yourself, stay blessed, stay happy, and please don't forget to give me a subscription. I really need to grow hard in this particular YouTube journey, so be a part of it and enjoy my videos. Bye for now. we go for the mashed tomatoes. So this is how this onion looks.